go, baby. Yeah. I'll follow your stroke. Woo! I'm almost thinking. Hey, let's just take the whole. Fuck it. Yeah.
There it is, right there.
Yeah. It makes it so easy. Ready?
Yep.
Go. Yeah. No problem. Let's go. Hit that bitch. Woo! Yeah. Woo!
Okay.
Yeah. Woo! You fucking did it, dude. No problem. Woo! Woo! Hell yeah, dude. Don't even get wet.
Oh, fuck yeah, look at the stop. Oh, yeah, fuck yeah.
I can get used to this.
I could too. You know, if I ever get to the point where I can't do the kayaking anymore, I can do the raft like this.
Look at the undertow right here.
We're kind of on a really strong line right here.
Here, let's. That was a good side bash.
Yeah, it responds really fucking well. All I can do is push back a little bit.
Yep.
On one side.
Alright, you ready?
Yeah. Forward.
Go. Yeah. Woo-hoo-hoo. Woo! Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
It's a different balance.
Dude,
I'm finding out really quick.
Yeah. Yeah. Oh, yeah. It is. Yeah. Just let it go.
Oh yeah.
Look at that, setting up that nose. Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Look at that, perfect. We could have hit that too, dude.
Probably.
Oh, this is nothing. Not the paddle.
Well, we're kind of hitting the shoulders here. We're not
yeah, we're not squared up.
Yeah.
Let's get that last one out. We're kind of off. We're off.
Yeah, we're off this offline just
a little bit.
Forward. 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 There it is, right there. Right there.
Woo! Woo! Yeah! Woo! We took a hit right there, baby. Yeah!
Oh yeah, look at that shit.
Yeah! That was great! That was great! It took a hit. I love this shit, dude. Don't even do the paddle stroke. I'm just gonna steer. What? I'm just gonna steer.
I'm just trying to keep it kind of square in it.
Yeah. Oh, man.
There you go. Oh yeah.
Oh, we got kicked out.
Yeah.
Go forward.
Forward. Forward.
Two more.
There it is.
Yeah. They're playing.
Yeah, they're playing. Yeah, check it out. Is there any more over there? They probably bed down up in that stuff right there. Out on the nice exposed slope.
Keep going. I see the dip. I see the hole. Keep going. Keep going. Oh shit. We're going. Get ready. Yeah. Woo! Yeah. Woo! More? Keep going. Keep going. Oh shit. Yeah. Adios, motherfucker!
That's perfect, man. That was a good line.
That was a great line. You actually have time. Forward, forward, forward.
Forward?
One more. Two more. There you go. Oh, fuck.
Forward, dude.
Forward.
Woo! Fuck yeah, dude.
Oh, shit.
Oh, yeah.
That was a good one, dude. That's a big hole in there.
Big hole. That's a good hole. Well, we hit
Perfect.
Perfect,
Perfect, dude. Perfect. That was awesome. Hell yeah. Way to end it.
It's like, wait a minute. There's a raft.